My name is Travis Huggins for A&P 1, Lab 1, or sorry, Lab 2 in this case. We are looking at two body cavities today. So, a cavity is a fluid filled space within the body that can serve to protect vital organs, or it also can allow them to move or expand as needed. There's two major cavities within the body, the dorsal and the ventral. Today we're going to be looking at one cavity within each of those major groups each. The first we're going to look at is the cranial cavity, which you could probably guess is up in here. It houses the brain, and also I would say the pituitary gland is a really important organ there too. The second body cavity we're going to be looking at is the thoracic body cavity. This one's part of the ventral body cavity, and it is right here. And as you can see, I've got highlighted the two of the major organs within it. These are not all, but two of the major organs would be the lungs and the heart.